아침을 깨우는 네 목소리 머리를 빗는 네 빗소리 밖엔 비가 오나 봐 들리는 빗방울들이 땅에 떨어지는 소리 전해지는 좋은 팅글 대체 뭐야 너는 비법이 아침에 일어나서 부은 눈이 너무 아름다운 너희들로 좋고
Okay, good afternoon everybody. Today is Monday. I just got home from school and I changed to like a comfortable outfit because I have to do homework. I feel like it's been so long since I've gotten homework from my teachers because we've been doing like projects in class, so like that's it. But today I actually got homework, but before I start any of that I wanted to eat something because I'm really hungry. So I think I'm gonna eat yogurt and strawberries. While I'm eating my yogurt, I'm gonna watch 𝐬𝐿 I started this series of a while back, but I never finished it. I kind of forgot about it. And like a couple days ago, I started back watching it again, and now I can't stop watching it. It's just really good. So yeah, I'm gonna watch that while I eat my yogurt. Okay, as you guys saw, it's raining outside, which is just wonderful. It makes it a lot easier to do my work and focus. I just love rain. I just made my to-do list on Notion. I'm gonna tell you guys what's on it. It's not in, these aren't really in order. I have medical term, study math material, scholarship essay, and then work on passion project. But right now I'm about to do my medical term homework and listen to some music. Okay guys, I just finished my first assignment on my to-do list, but I took a little rain break after I was done with that because I heard the rain getting louder and I just wanted to step outside to hear it. I was gonna do my math work, but then I decided I don't want to do that right now. I want to work on my essay. So here it is. It's all written out, which front and back, it has to be 200 to 400 words, and if it's over 400, I'm really upset because all the words that are in here needs to stay in here. Like, it completes the whole essay, so I don't want to sacrifice any words. So I'm gonna type it out to see how many words I have, and then if it's too many, I gotta figure that whole thing out. So yeah, I'm gonna do that and listen to some music.
스타일이 아닌 음악을 들었다 You know 좋아하지 않는 음식을 먹었다 우산 없이 비가 와
Good afternoon, everybody. Today is Monday, and I'm out of school because it's MLK Day. And tomorrow I'm out of school because of the snow. So today I'm gonna take a chill day. I'm chilling all day today, and I decided to build one of my Lego sets. It's the orchid one. And it should be pretty, I feel like this should be pretty easy to build. I think I should get this done today. But like, I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna do that, listen to some music, and just chill.
Spell L-O-V-E-L-E-E 이름만 불러도 you can feel me 눈빛만 봐도 알면서 my love
Yo, okay, hold up. I opened the book and I opened it to this first page. Now I saw this orange part. I thought this was like actually a part of the Lego set, but it looks like it's supposed to just help you take the Legos off. I know I sat here for a good minute trying to figure that out. And then I moved on to the next part, you know, the first actual part of building it. I struggled with these white parts, like, y'all. This is my first time, but you can't tell. But yeah, we're gonna see how the rest of this goes. This took me like 3 songs to build. Okay, we will improve.
So lovely Spell L-O-V-E-L-E-E 이름만 불러도 you can feel me 눈빛만 봐도 알면서 my love 누구 사랑 먹고 그리 예쁘게 걷니 Mommy or your daddy or them both Lovey things 너의 곁에 everyday Good morning good night 너의 이름 부를 때 So lovely day so lovely Our day with you so lovely Spell L-O-V-E-L-E-E 이름만 불러도 you can